Hello, it's Ben. Is this train handler Ben? Welcome back to another video. Be a short one. As we see trains coming up from somewhere. Oh, it's waiting over there. Look at that red light. There it is. I post this videos. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. As you can see it coming now. There's a short train on the siding that goes all the way down here, as you can see. We got a first train whistle sound video. Hey, yeah, I know there's a caboose and it's right now. And then I go back. Yep, and that's it. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. It's about trainer on the Ben side. Logging off. See you on another video.